Hey y'all, come with me to create this Thanksgiving/holiday approved makeup look. It's definitely settled and you can definitely dress up or dress down with this look. So continue watching and see how I created it. So for this look, it's very versatile. You can skip the lashes if you want to. If you prefer just mascara, you can see how gorgeous it still is with or without lashes. I just personally prefer lashes. When it comes to blushes though, I wanted to give a couple different options. So this one is like a brownish pink undertone, which would definitely match this eye look very well. It is by Milani in the shade Mellow Wine, or you can go for something a little bit deeper and darker. This berry plumish looking shade is by Milani Cosmetics. But today I went with the Physicians Formula face palette because this one would also go very good with it, because not only does it have like a pink hue, but it also has those brown and bronze golden undertones that would match this look perfectly. As you guys can see, it's very settled, but you still look glamorous for your holiday get together with family. For the lip, I decided to actually do a video separately, so stay tuned for that. Also, watch out for part 2 to see how I take this look to be family approved to party approved in part 2 on Saturday. I'll see you all then. Bye.